We have some big news coming in on that front. 3 IPS officers of West Bengal who were responsible for arranging security during Nadda's visit have now been removed from their current positions. The Ministry of Home Affairs have given them central deputation. Remember, JP Nadda's convoy was attacked, and now in the wake of it, 3 IPS officers who were responsible for arranging security during Nadda's visit have been removed from their current position. The Ministry of Home Affairs has now given central deputation to 3 of those IPS officers. Here, JP Nadda's convoy was attacked. In fact, the central government has pulled up the state government over law and order issues. The TMC has also written a letter to the Home Ministry saying all protocols were followed. TMC writes saying that the summons to the Union Home Secretary is plain political vendetta. Now, in the wake of it, the Ministry of Home Affairs have pulled up 3 of the IPS officers who were responsible for arranging security, and now they've been removed, given them position at the central, in fact, they've been deputed in the central areas. We have Manish joining us for more details on that. Manish, please take us through the details here. 3 IPS officers who've been removed in the wake of JP Nadda's convoy being attacked. They were responsible for arranging security. What happened?
Yeah, well, Nabila, at this point of time, what we do know that these 3 IPS officers, they were given the responsibility to make arrangement of security during Nadda's visit. But we all know that how the convoy of Nadda, along with the other BJP leaders, it was attacked by some people in West Bengal. And now what we do know, and we have the first-hand confirmation from the MHA sources, that all 3 IPS officers, they have been asked to join on central deputation. Now, this can be said as a punishment because they were, as of now, they are still deputed in the West Bengal state, but now the MHA has written a letter to the state government asking them to be sent on central deputation. It means that the MHA doesn't want them to stay in West Bengal anymore or to be working under the state government influence. Now they want all 3 IPS officers to join on central deputation. This is a very major development because yesterday what we saw that the DGP and the Chief Secretary were summoned by the MHA. They have been asked to appear before the MHA on December 14, and now 3 IPS officers, technically we can say that they have been given a central deputation. Now it will be again between the MHA and the state government because as of now they are still under control of West Bengal government. But the Minister of Home Affairs, they have informed the government of West Bengal that they should be sent on central deputation.
Manish, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that.